Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.
Hello everyone, welcome to Business Analyst Training video from Get Software Services. So in this video, we shall understand a brief about a business analyst, what are the roles and responsibilities of a business analyst, and what are the skills required to become a business analyst. So let's get started. So as a business analyst, what do we do? As a business analyst, we understand the structure, policies, and operations of an organization to understand and evaluate the business carried out by the organization to recommend a solution so as the organization is enabled to achieve its goals. We as a business analyst work closely with the technology team to improve on the quality of the services delivered. So there can be a goal or a problem or an opportunity within your organization, which as a business analyst, we analyze and propose a solution. So business analyst is part of a technology team who works closely with the business and the technology teams and performs the liaison between those teams. That's the primary role of a BA. Now, when we talk about business and technology teams, there could be various stakeholders in a team. Stakeholders could be a person or an organization who can be affected directly or indirectly because of the organization actions. As a part of business analysis, we document the requirements gathered and communicate back to the solution developers. Let's see in detail some of the roles performed by the business analyst. As a BA, we understand the organization objectives so as to enable the organization meet their needs, solve a problem, or take an advantage of the opportunity. Then the whole business analyst world revolves around the requirements management, collection, documentation, analysis, prioritization. Communicating the requirement to the technology team and interacting with the development team and help them aid the understanding of the requirements. So that way the learning curve required to understand the stakeholder requirements by the technology team is reduced as we as a BA we interact with the development team and help them understand. Provide the feedback on the design provided by your technical architects for the features to be added, functions to be implemented in the design. As a business analyst, we create use cases, user stories, business roles, create model diagrams. Also, we create functionality requirements, non-functionality requirements, which are basically translated out of the business requirement in the point of view of a software function or a software characteristic. We execute all the requirements to be implemented by the solution developers in the solution. And we finally accept the solution by conducting the user acceptance testing along with the business team to ensure the solution meets the client needs before it finally gets deployed into production. Now, what are the various roles as a BA we can perform? As a BA, I can be a product owner, I can be a technical business analyst, system business analyst, project manager, or a scrum master. So my career path could be leading to any of these. If we look at some of the activities, key activities performed by the business analyst, the very first thing is being understanding the business and translating that into a business case, which provides the snapshot of what is the current situation of the organization and what are the solution that is being proposed. And it also gives from a technical and economic considerations to make a decision by your executive and your management team to go ahead with the solution proposed. And we also prepare a stakeholder analysis, which basically to analyze the attitude of different stakeholders towards the project. And we gather the requirements, basically elicit the requirements from the stakeholders following various techniques. To name a few, like interviews, requirement workshops, JAD sessions. Once we gather the requirement, we have to analyze the requirement and specify them in a software characteristics, do the requirements modeling by giving a visual view of the requirements, following a UML notation or a BPMN, UML being a unified modeling language diagrams, or BPMN being a business process model notation, document all the requirements, make sure the requirements are confirmed and approved. Do the validation, prioritization, and changes to the requirements as we ensure the requirements are finalized. Finally, do the acceptance testing along with the business team to ensure the solution meets the needs. Then if we could see the skills required for a business analyst. That's a combination of a technical and non-technical being your soft skills. Education, to acquire a degree from a college or a school, be it a management degree, a computer science degree, non-computer science degree. I could be a science graduate with a keen enthusiasm to understand and help the organization achieve their goals. Experience as I acquire on the job and build my experience. Soft skills, good analytical problem solving, negotiation skills. So as we being liaison between the technology and the management team, we would need that to present the documentation, communication, help the teams resolve the solutions. If there are any problems arising out of it, negotiate to ensure the team comes to a consensus. In terms of various tools used, a project management tool knowledge is important to understand how a project gets executed using the tools. Some of the tools named here are Jira and ALMQC. To create some wireframes using a tool like a Balsamiq, or Microsoft Visio to create some models, or requirement modeling diagrams, Atlassian Confluence for a document repository system, Microsoft Excel knowledge so as I can prepare some charts and reports. SQL database knowledge to write queries to fetch, manipulate the data in the database. If I wanted to look at a roadmap to become a BA, if I am a fresher out of a college graduation in the field from a school, knowledge of SQL so as I understand the database, how it interacts, how an application talks to the database, knowledge of testing so as I can be a little more technical in understanding the application knowledge, good communication skills. As an experienced person, having some soft skills like communication, negotiation. If I have a certification, that would definitely help me and be beneficial in acquiring a job. Thank you for participating in this video. And please visit our website, Get Software Services, for more information on how to take up the training of business analyst from GSS. Thank you. Thank you for your time.
Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.